As I've been working on these portable generators here, guys, this is what I've done. I've been working so hard trying to bring an end or completion onto this project. You've guys seen the first project, and this is the second project here, and the third one you guys seen. So finally, this is the second one I've completed, and this is the what is happening right now. We are charging batteries. I have the charge controller incorporated here, which is the Midnight Kid. This is the wiring I've done. This is the control module, control box here, bus bar, and everything is set up right here in a very clean setup, as I can call it a clean setup. It might be a kind of mess for other people, but this is the best I've done to keep this system really nice and clean. So I incorporated with a blue seal. This is it can accommodate 48 volts. I put this one here, both of them, in case I have to go in a 48 volt system. Set the batteries of 48 volts. I can able to still use this charge controller, and this one can able to handle a 48 volt respectively. So right now is 100 amp for the inverter. Right now it's charging. Wires are all cold to the touch, and I incorporated another one here. There's a 50 amp, which is responsible. It's a 48 volt as well, can handle that for this guy right here. So this one here, the 100 amp, is for the inverter, and which we're not going to be pulling too much power. Is a kilowatt inverter, and I incorporated the remote. This is the MEARC50. It has a fave, but it's kind of outdated with the firmware and everything there. So we're charging right now from the grid. Set up the battery parameter to 16.8 volt. This is a 2.2 volt per cell times is a 4s3p. So 4.2 times 4, that will give you 16.8 volts. Okay, and 6.6 amps per module, because they all is a 18650 batteries, Panasonic. Read the description below, you will see exactly what I'm talking about here. I've made a lot of videos on this. So this is what we do right now. If you can see, it's charging, and this is how the system gonna be. I'm gonna be putting a plexiglass here. Remember, if you guys can still follow this video, you will see exactly what I was doing. Plexiglass, so I can able to see the internal parts, and everything is anchored properly. So this guy is not going anywhere. I'm shaking it vigorously. It's not going anywhere. So this remote, I'm gonna be attaching it on the side. Here we go. We have battery hookup, because I got the batteries from them, and I have a lot of vents here to keep the cooling inside. And I'm using this white cable as a negative wire. I have one just laying around. I don't have much use for it, so I have to put it to work. And let me take you around there. Sorry, I'm moving too fast for you guys, and I don't want to get you motion sickness. And this is the AC outlet I've already incorporated here. That comes from the bottom connection right here with a strain relief, and the DC part of it here for the battery. You can see it's not hot at all. Everything works well. And this is the AC part of it. This is what the AC is going to be attaching. I'm going to be finding a spot maybe here, trying to incorporate this guy on the side. Okay, so the batteries are underneath from here. If you see the wires on the corner, the batteries are underneath right here. See them in there, the green ones, green wrap right there. There you go, you can see them. So hope, yeah, we go. You see the green batteries in there, the packs. Those are the packs. So we have them there. I'm gonna incorporate this guy on the corner right there and the corner and see how everything's gonna work for us here at the JW Solar USA. Guys, I just want to finish up everything, and I'm gonna be showing one of my complete end product here on the other portable generator. Stand by, let me show you. In as much I like to build portable generator, this is just a hobby for me of building them. It's not like I like to use them now like other people does. It's just I will see when I'm bored, see what I can do just to play around. This is the charging cord, and this is a nice system, nice cabinet. I've shown you this guys before, and if we can get this guy going here, you see I set up this thing here. These are the wires I set up, configured. This is a kilowatt inverter, and with you see with midnight kit as well. And what I've done, okay, I think I lost this cover here. There's supposed to be a cover here, and here is the breaker for it. And this one you can plug your outputs here. It's a GFCI. This one you can wire directly again to a control panel by this knockout, and just take this guy out, or you can leave this guy and just get a knockout right here. And this is the other control panel right here, the MERC50. And I try to incorporate everything right. Then I got a sticker battery hookup. Nice, guys. I got some nice bushings here, stand up and holding the inverter. I have a lot of space underneath, and guys, it has a casting wheels. There's a whole lot of power into this. These are the Volkswagen e-Golf batteries, the mini ones. So look at the mini towers, Volkswagen e-Golf from JW Solar USA. Here is the breaker off. Another like a blue C1 again, but these are 135 amps. So let's see how far this one up. All right, see that? Here we go. So let's check what's the amp power on this one. I can't remember. I just built this one and it's just sitting here. I don't know. Oh, okay. You cannot do amp hours here. Okay, let's try it the other way around. Let's see. So it's resting at 16 volt. Guys, this is a robust system right here. This system can do a whole lot of stuff. So let's come to the control panel and look at it. It says 16 over there. It says 15.8. I can able to calibrate this guy here from the kit. Let's see how much amp hours we have on this guy. You know, here, there. Into the BMK and get this guy and see amp hours. So this is the 200 amps. We have a 12 volt. So lithium-ion phosphate, which this ones runs as 210 amp hours on it, and this one has a BMS built in on the batteries, Panasonic. So it's charging, and here is the other guy right here with the Volkswagen e-Golf batteries. So everything seems to be looking good, and the inverter I can turn on right here. Now it's searching, sits right there, it's doing its thing. Okay, power of the inverter again. So these are all the mini monsters I've built, and they're just sitting right here. It's ready for an action, and there's the thing that is fluctuating right there. We can able to go there and do some calibrations. I think things on tech. Yeah, so calibration right there. We can able to calibrate it and use which meter we trust that much, or we can go about it and calibrate anything we want it live here at the JW Solar USA. Well, guys, this is what I have for you guys. I just want to show you, and I hope you like my build. I hope you like what I've just done. It has been like few years trying to put these things together, but you have to have all the materials in place to go about whatever you want to do, or else it's not just an easy task. It's a lot of big, it's some of this is a big project for the people, but for these guys, I'm just doing them for fun, but they have a place where to go. Okay, they have a place to go. It even tells you how many torque pound on this you have to do on the terminals. Right, so it is the main disconnect here. You can see. There you go. It's out. Well, thanks for watching. Love you guys all. Like and subscribe. As this guy is wrapping up here, doing his thing, and the inverter's charging the batteries, and I'm gonna be using the plexiglass and put on top of here. Let me grab it. Here is the plexiglass. I'm gonna be incorporated here and get it all kind of a little bit transparent. If I peel this sticker, you can able to read just because of the light is shining, but I'm seeing it live, so you can see all the meters right here, and everything's gonna look really nice and sweet. I already have these holes all corresponded to the stuff, and the cabinet's gonna look just like this. Okay, so I've been trying to do this for quite a long time. I've been telling you guys I have a lot of support and love from a lot of people who are with me on this project, on this journey. So this is what I've done, and this is how it's gonna look like, and system is working good. We're gonna get it all set up this way, and this is how it's gonna look like. It's transparent, and you can able to see through the devices, everything inside. It's gonna be really nice. But I'm trying to look for a nice plexiglass that is stronger and more thicker, and I can able to use it to finish up this job the way I wanted it. I know the charge controller is gonna be warm. It depends on the kind of power we're gonna be sending on this. And this guy is charging, it's putting some power into these lithium-ion phosphate batteries. Okay, this is gonna be really cool. I was gonna try and put in the casting wheels here, but now I already enclose everything. It's gonna be really tough because I was gonna put a bolt underneath and thread it all the way down to the plywood, and I already have the wheels, put in the casting wheels, so I can able to coast it around or driving around just like the other one. All right, so all the controls going to be inside. You have to take the screws, and if you're able to turn on and off switches. Like and subscribe. JW Solar USA in Minnesota. Bye for now.